If you're going on a cruise and you want to make sure that it is fun, you are going to love this video. I'm going to be sharing the 10 plus fun things to bring on a cruise. Hi there, I'm Ilana from the website lifewellcruise.com. Welcome back to my channel. Now, I lied a little bit. I realized as I've gone through my list, I actually have about 15 fun items to bring on a cruise, because what I did want to share with you is some of the fun things that really are just kind of light and maybe optional, as well as a couple of really good travel gear type items that you will want to bring on a cruise that are also pretty fun. Now, before I get started, I did want to mention two things. Firstly, a super big thank you. Our channel has now reached over 50,000 subscribers. I couldn't be more grateful and humbled. I appreciate your likes, your comments, your shares, you helping other people in the comments, your support. It really means the world to me, and I do not take it lightly. And I would love to hear even your suggestions for future videos. Please let me know in the comments below. And of course, if you like this video, if you find it helpful, informative, or enjoyable in any way, please do give the video a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let's get started. Number one, cute towel clips. You will notice on a cruise that a lot of people have different kinds of towel clips. Of course, if you don't bring any towel clips, what will happen is it will be breezy on the ship and your towels just might kind of fly away a little bit. You don't really want that. Bring some cute towel clips. You'll also be able to recognize your lounge chairs. Number two, cruise lanyards. Now, cruise lanyards are super handy. You can keep your cruise card in it. This is just very convenient. You can keep it around your neck if you like to when you go on the Lido deck or you walk around the cruise ship, or you can throw it in your pocket or in your tote bag. But this way you always know where it is. It is really especially handy when you do want to be hands-free on a cruise. Now, speaking of lanyards, the waterproof phone case on a lanyard is one of my favorite cruise travel essentials. So really, really good. You can put your phone case in here. It really is waterproof. So if you do go on an excursion, or even if you do go to the pool and you want to take some photos or just have your phone with you while you're near the water, this is really convenient. Definitely a cruise travel essential. Now, what I am going to do is all of the items that I am showing you in this video, I am going to have them linked down in the description below this video. Number four, cruise t-shirts. Now, who doesn't love cruise t-shirts? You can of course find them on Amazon. This is actually part of our own LifeWell Cruised merchandise. I'll actually insert a couple of pictures of some other t-shirts that we have as well. But you can get a t-shirt that says, I bought the cruise drink package, but they really are just something fun to have on a cruise, especially maybe if you are doing a group cruise. Number five, consider bringing along some playing cards or some board games or even some Sudoku books, just some fun things that you could do on a cruise when you do want to kind of take it easy and be a little bit quiet. Now, you can actually borrow some board games on a cruise, so you definitely don't have to bring these along if you don't want to. So this is something to keep in mind. But if you do have a group maybe on board, or you have a favorite game that you like to play, this might be something that you actually want to pack for your cruise. Number five, bring along some water shoes. Now, I have to say, these were really something practical I brought on my last cruise, and they're really not a very fun color, but they were so great to have. And I do think that they can make your beach days just a lot better. This is the first time that I've brought them in a really long time. They were really so very handy, but especially for some of those private islands that you'll go to on a cruise, you might have little rocks at the bottom or coral, and you're going to really appreciate having the water shoes. Now, I have a couple more practical but still fun things to bring on a cruise before I share with you a couple of fun things that I really never see, or almost never see, talked about in these cruise videos. Number seven, travel binoculars. So good. Lots of fun, of course, to see dolphins, to see whales, to see the wildlife. Whether you're in the Caribbean or you're in Alaska, you definitely want to bring some travel binoculars with you. Number eight, bring your own snorkel gear. So if you are planning to do a catamaran excursion, or maybe you're planning to just do some snorkeling at the beach, it is really such a good value to buy your own snorkel gear ahead of your cruise. It's going to be more sanitary than anything that you can rent while you are cruising, and you'll be able to keep it for years. Cruise themed outfits or Hawaiian shirts. There are oftentimes going to be special events during your cruise. You could do a little bit of research and find out if there's maybe a Caribbean night. So make sure to pack at least one tropical shirt or Hawaiian shirt. You might want to pack a white outfit. Now, if you are going on a holiday cruise, pack a Christmas sweater or some Christmas pajamas. All of those are fun things to have on a cruise. Next up, we have magnet anything. Now, magnets are great on cruise ships in particular because most of the time your cabin walls are going to be metal. So you can bring along with you magnet clips to hold all of your paperwork, your shore excursion tickets, those sort of thing. You can bring also magnet hooks. These are great for baseball caps, for your lanyards. Even the heavy duty ones will actually hold your backpack. So that is really important. You want to get the heaviest weight possible while they'll still be able to like unstick. I will leave my recommendations down in the description below this video. An insulated coffee mug. So if you are a coffee lover like me, then you are going to want to have maybe a big cup of coffee in the morning or maybe even at other times of the day. So you could find really fun cruise themed insulated coffee mugs that you could use on the ship and when you get home as well. Cruise cabin door decorations. Now, this is actually something that is done on cruise ships. It really isn't something that I've ever seen at hotels, but I have definitely seen this on cruise ships, and it is more popular on some cruise ships than others. But decorating your cabin door is a really fun thing to do. You could even decorate the inside of your cabin if you like, if you're going for a special occasion or maybe for a holiday. But even for your cabin door itself, by decorating it, it's a good way to make sure that when you do walk down the hallway, you can find your door. You can decorate it with magnets. You can personalize it with banners. There's a lot of things that you can do. The only thing you do have to make sure is that you do have to check the rule on your cruise line to make sure that it is something that's allowed. Just to mention, Norwegian Cruise Line is a cruise line that doesn't allow it. It's very popular on Carnival, and it's pretty popular, I think, on Royal Caribbean as well. If you have decorated your cabin door, please let me know down in the description below. And a little fun thing to do, by the way, is you might want to Google pineapples on cabin doors on cruise ships. I'm going to leave an article down in the description below this video. And if you do want to play a little joke on somebody, well, you might want to consider pineapples. Now, another fun thing to bring on a cruise is cruising ducks. Now, if you've never heard of cruising ducks, basically what this is those little yellow rubber ducks. They're those novelty ducks. And basically what people do is they'll hide them on the cruise and other people will find them. There are actually some rules to this game. There are some tags and some templates. And again, I will actually leave this down in the description below this video if you do want to check it out and see what some of the rules are and that kind of thing. But that is definitely something fun to do and to bring on a cruise. Now, please let me know what are some of the fun things that you bring on a cruise. Now, I am going to leave a video right after this one all about what to pack for a cruise and what to leave at home, that if you haven't watched that video yet, I think that you probably will enjoy. Once again, a super big thank you for helping us reach 50,000 subscribers. We cannot wait to continue to grow as a community. If you did enjoy this video, please do give it a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Bye for now and happy cruising.